Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make steak restaurant style. First, select a high-quality, thick-cut steak, ideally 1.5 to 2 inches thick. This thickness allows for a perfect sear and a juicy interior. Next, it's crucial to pat your steak thoroughly dry with paper towels. Moisture on the surface prevents a good crust. Finally, season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Now, let's achieve that incredible restaurant-style sear. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat and let it get smoking hot, which takes about 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot pan. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side, creating a beautiful, deep brown crust. This initial high heat is key for flavor. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan, along with aromatics like smashed garlic cloves and fresh rosemary or thyme sprigs. As the butter melts and foams, tilt the pan slightly. Use a spoon to continuously baste the steak with the flavorful butter for about 2 to 4 minutes. This step infuses the steak with incredible richness and helps it cook evenly. The final, crucial step for a restaurant-quality steak is resting. Transfer your perfectly cooked steak to a cutting board immediately after basting. Let it rest undisturbed for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Finally, slice your steak against the grain for maximum tenderness and enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.